Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Krazy Glue Home Office Brush 5G. Krazy Glue Home Office formula is perfect for office projects, schoolwork, and crafting. The brush-on applicator provides excellent surface coverage that's easy to control on large surfaces and in hard-to-reach areas. Brush stays fresh in no clog B. Number 2. Krazy Glue All-Purpose Super Glue. Krazy Glue with all-purpose formula is perfect for everyday repairs and projects. Single-use applicators have just enough in each tube for one quick fix, ensuring freshness for each use. Compact plastic case is perfect for on the go and offers convenient, organized storage in drawers and workshops. Number 3. Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. No run control gel formula that is great for use on vertical surfaces. Helps keep the glue from drying out. It's Gorilla Tough Use after use. Specially formulated for increased impact resistance and strength. Dries in 10 to 45 seconds. No clamping required. Number 4. Krazy Glue KG925448R5G All-Per Brush-On. Glue, high-quality product. All-purpose Krazy. Manufactured in Japan. Brush-on applicator stays fresh in clog-free bottle. Goes on purple, dries clear. Number 5. Loctite 1364076 Super Glue Easy Squeeze Gel. Sold as one each. Delivers a super strong final bond. Control applicator provides additional accuracy. Locking cap prevents gel from leaking and drying out. Dries clear.